Clever storage solutions that minimize clutter, sleek furnishings that make the most of an empty nook, and accent pieces that play double duty are just a few of the many solutions we found in IKEA store. Here are 10 IKEA picks for you to solve small bedroom woes. 1. Napper Floor Mirror. For bedrooms where closet space is at a premium, this floor mirror provides an extra bit of hanging space. This mirror is hiding something. In fact, there are hooks and a rail behind it. Handy if you want to hang up tomorrow's outfit and indulge in a few extra minutes under the covers. 2. Nordly Nightstands. This nightstand is less than a foot wide, so it fits into the narrowest of spaces. Inside, there's a deep drawer and a place to hide a charger for your phone. This table lets you run the wires through the back so you have a bedside charging station without visible cords. 3. Lack Wall Shelf Unit. This is another great solution for creating a nightstand in a very small space, and it adds a lot of extra storage to your bedroom too. You can choose to hang it vertically or horizontally depending on space and storage needs. 4. Brimnes Headboard with Storage Compartment. You've probably seen beds with built-in drawers, but here's a headboard that has built-in storage too. Books and magazines can tuck into the compartments on either side of the headboard, maybe eliminating the need for a nightstand, and other books can be stacked on top. 4. Salt Rod Mirror with Shelf and Hooks. Used in a bedroom, the hooks on this mirror are perfect for hanging bags, jewelry, sunglasses, keys, and scarf. Everything is right where you left it on the hooks and shelf. 6. Vardo Underbed Storage Box. This Vajro innovates underbed storage with casters that make it easy to pull out and a canvas cover that's much less bulky than a lid. This storage box turns the space under your bed into a place for storing things like comforters, pillows, or seasonal clothing. 7. Ekby Alex Valter Shelf with Drawer. If you like the idea of a desk in your bedroom but are having trouble fitting one in, try a wall-mounted desk like this combo. It's labeled simply as a shelf, but works quite well as a wall-mounted laptop desk or even a dressing table. 8. Trones Shoe Storage Cabinet. The Trones is designed as a cabinet for storing shoes, but could also be very useful as a nightstand. At only 7 inches deep, it's narrow enough to fit into even the tightest of spaces. 9. Algot Scatus. A versatile system for the bedroom, laundry room, or wherever it's needed. Just click the brackets onto the wall uprights to add a shelf or accessory. It's easy to add or remove parts as your needs change. 10. Stocksund. A both good-looking and practical bench that gives a warm, cozy feeling. Works just as well in the living room, hallway, or bedroom. Storage space under the seat. The lid stays open so you can safely and easily take things in and out. 11. Malm Bed Frame. A clean design with solid wood veneer. Place the bed freestanding or with the headboard against a wall. You also get spacious storage boxes that roll out smoothly on casters. 12. Nalbaj Hanging Organizer. Convenient pocket storage at your service on the armrest, in the hallway, in the bedroom or behind the door. It takes up little space and the soft felt fabric creates a feeling of lasting quality.